I'm really excited to be coming to the UK on the 16th of March. I'm going to be holding a brand new workshop called The Transformational Power of Healing, where I'll reveal some of my newest work which I've never taught in the UK before. This workshop will focus on healing, and it'll include meditations, practices, and teachings that have been purposefully designed to help you delve deeper into my work and connect it to your own healing process. In other words, the idea is to empower you. I'll take you on a journey to uncover the roots of your health issues through sessions and deep meditations using sound healing therapy specifically designed to elicit a deep awakening. If you're struggling to recover from physical, mental, or emotional health conditions, this guided journey will help you discover what's preventing restoration from taking place so that you can heal. This is the first time I'll be teaching this in the UK, so I really hope you'll join me. I'm looking forward to seeing you then. Bye!